The next is recurring type decimal. Let us see. When the dividend is a decimal and divisor is a whole number, the quotient is a recurring type decimal. Let us see the type. So it is 79.6. Leave 4 rods and place 3 here. So 79.6 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. So compare 3 and 7. So you will get 3 twos are 6. So place 2, leaving 1 rod to the left of 7. Now, so 3 twos are 6, remove 6. Now you have 19.6 here. Now compare 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3. So place the quotient 6 to the immediate left of 1 and remove 18. So remove 18. So I'm removing 18. So now we got 16 over here. Now compare 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3. So 3 5 are 15. So place the quotient 5 to the immediate left of 1 and remove 15. Now you consider this as 10 over here. So compare 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3. When you consider it as 10, you get 3 threes are 9. Place the quotient 3 to the immediate left of 1. Remove 9 from here. So minus 10 plus 1. So using the minus 10 complement here to remove that 10. Next, again, compare 1 and 3. So when you compare 1 and 3, so 1 is less than 3. So place the quotient 3 to the immediate left of 1 and and use the minus 10 complement. So minus 10 plus 1. So this keeps on going. This keeps on going. So it is this called as recurring decimal. Now see how now let us see how to keep the decimal here, or where to keep the decimal point. So consider where your units place digit of the dividend was. It was here. The units place digit of the dividend was here. The count from 0, 1 and 2. So the corresponding value of count 2 is 6. So place the decimal after this 6. So your answer is 26.533.